How to remove the stamp text on Magic Tricks in Photoshop. First, select on Polygonal Lasso tool. Click and draw to select the Anyone stamp text. Go to Edit, click on Copy. Again go to Edit, click on Paste. Go to Image, Adjustment, click on Invert. Go to Window, click on Layers. Change the blend mode. Select on Color Dodge. Press Hold Alt and drag to duplicate the layer. Drag to set on another text upside. Again hold Alt plus drag to duplicate. Drag and set on another text upside. Again same process. Removed all stamp text. Click Layer option. Check the image. Select all layers. Hold Shift plus select. Right-click, click on Flatten Image. Look at the image. Thank you for watching videos.